Okay. All right, I know you guys were a little bit nervous about the video, so before we get started, do you want to wave at it so you get like your nerves out of the way? Okay, and now we're not going to look at it anymore, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to do the lesson. All right, so for the first part, Miss Conyers is going to say some sounds, and I want you to tell me the word that they make, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Ish.
Fish.
Sh.
Rush.
Sh. I.
Ship.
Sh. T.
Shut.
Are you guys used to doing your little
Yeah.
choppers? Okay. All right, so now we're going to do the opposite. I'm going to say the word, you say the word, and then you're going to chop it out.
Okay.
Got it? All right, I say the word, you say the word. Shin.
Shin. Shin. Shin.
Shock.
Shock. Shock. Shock.
Dash.
Dash. Dash. Dash.
Brush.
Brush. Brush.
Okay, let's talk about that one for just a minute.
B-
You got it. Tell them what to do.
You have to say the R in the middle.
You have to say that R in the middle. So sometimes we want to put B and R together because they do go quickly together. That's what we call a blend. Brr. But we have to hear each individual sounds. So we'll do B.
You're in the wrong.
Ready?
B.
B. R. Sh.
Brush.
All right, let's practice that one again together. I say the word, you say it, and then we'll chop it out. Brush.
Brush.
R. Sh.
Brush.
Now, can you do it one time without me?
Brush.
Very good. All right, now on the next part, I'm going to show you a card, and I want you to tell me the sound that matches the card. Got it? Okay. Where do I find CK together?
At the end of a word.
At the end of a word.
Short
That's,
vowel.
and after a short vowel. You got it. So that's why we have this little dash here, this hyphen, because it tells me this comes at the end. So what was the sound again? Where's it
At
at?
the end of a word. Short vowel.
After a short vowel at the end of the word. Does anybody know what kind of letter this is?
A vowel.
A vowel. And how many sounds?
A-E-I-O-U.
You got it. So Faith
Five.
has A-E-I-O-U, and a vowel makes two sounds.
And
So for you, it would be and you. So let's say that together.
and
You.
you.
Boys, you got it? You. All right, tell me the sounds.
And you.
Got it.
You.
A little bit louder for me.
Ooh.
And what's the second one?
E.
All right, say those together. E.
E. L. I. And
All right, tell me. He had it right here. Tell me.
I.
What was the first one you said? I. Very good. Everyone.
I. At the end, short vowel.
What's this one?
At the end.
It's at the end, and what is the sound?
Short vowel.
The sound. And? All right, the short sound first, which is ah, and O is the long sound. Very good. All right, here's what I need you to do. Hold up two fingers. If you are a right-handed person, you're going to hold up two fingers on your right hand. If you typically write with your left hand, hold up two fingers on your left hand. Got it? I'm right-handed, so I'm holding up my right hand. My daughter's left-handed, though, so she would hold up this one. All right, got it? Okay, I'm going to call it a sound. You're going to say the sound, and then you'll write it on the table. So we'll pretend like your fingers are your pencil, and the table is your paper. All right, practice doing that really quickly. Fill your paper. All right, hold those two fingers up. I say the sound, and then you say it. Don't tell me anything else. Write what you know that makes k.
There's 3 vowels. None here.
All right, somebody raise your hand and tell me what you wrote. All right, tell me what you wrote. CK, so we talked about CK. Yes, that makes k. Okay, is there another way to write k? Tell me what you wrote.
C and K.
C,
But
just the letter
apart.
C by itself. And then what was the last one?
K.
K. So there are 3 ways to write k, and it sounds like you guys got all 3. All right, next one. Write the letter that makes the sound, and you're going to say the sound first, and U. What is the sound? And
U.
Now write it. Everyone, what letter did you write?
U.
Next, E. Say it for me.
E.
Write it. Everyone wrote N.
E.
E. Is Faith the only one that wrote E?
No, I wrote it too.
Everyone wrote E. Okay. Next, write the letter that says I. What is the sound?
I.
Write it. And you all wrote the letter
I.
Next.
Try to telling us.
I know with the vowels, right? Okay, next one, you're going to write the letter that says O. What is the sound?
O.
Write it. Everybody wrote N.
O.
Next, you're writing. What is the sound?
F.
Oh, what is the sound? Not the letter. So everybody's writing the letter
F.
F. All right? Write the letter that makes the sound S. Everyone say S. What letter did you write?
F.
And write the last one, the letter that makes the sound Z. What letter did you write?
Z.
Z. Very good. All right, now I'm going to show you a word on my board. I want you to watch, but don't say anything until I tell you, okay? Don't say anything, all right? Don't tell me what it is. Take a minute to look at it. Here's what I want us to do. We're going to sound out each sound and then blend it together. All right, ready? Oh, wait for me to say go. Ready, go.
Sick.
What is the word?
Sick.
I'm going to add a sound. Don't say anything. Sound it out. Ready, go.
Ooh. Slick.
What is the word?
Slick.
Slick.
Your hair back.
Like you slick your hair back. I'm taking away your beginning sound. Don't say anything. Ready, go.
Lick.
You got it. All right. I'm going to change the beginning sound, which is sometimes called the initial sound, and I'm going to change it to a K.
Oh, I know.
Ready, go.
Kick.
Remember, sound it out first. So we have it.
Kick.
You guys are great readers. Did y'all know that?
Yes.
You did know you're great readers?
Sick. Everybody says that.
Everyone says that. All right, let's change it up. This one might trick you, but I bet it won't.
No, it won't.
Okay, remember that QU
I know.
makes one sound? All right, ready? Let's sound it out.
That's easy.
And go.
Quick.
You got it. All right, let's change that beginning sound again.
What?
Ready, go.
Wick.
How many of you know what the word wick means? Anybody know what a wick is?
No.
All
Does
right,
it be like
who knows what a candle is?
me?
Do you guys know what a candle is?
Is it when it melts?
So, you know that little part at the top of
Yes,
the candle that
when
you have
you-
to light?
Mhm.
That's a candle wick.
No.
So that's when we would
And
use
there's-
this word.
Like
All right, now I'm going to change up the ending sound. So we've been changing the beginning. Now let me change the ending. Not yet. Ready, go.
What it will.
All right, let's change
Like
this
how we
one.
obey you.
Ready, go.
Ew. Pill. Like you have to take a pill.
I'm
Pill
glad
is
you guys
skin.
asked that. Pill can be two different words.
Pill
It
is
can be
skin.
like pill, like if you have to take Tylenol because you have a headache, you would take a pill, and that's the one we just did, P-I-L-L. If you're gonna peel like a sunburn off your arm, that one's spelled a little bit different. So it sounds the same,
What
but
is
they're
it?
spelled different. It's P-E-E-L. So you'll probably learn that later this year in first grade. All right, let's see what our next one is. Ready, go.
Pick.
Pick. All right, I'm gonna change the vowel.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Puck.
And
You
now
have
let's
to sound it
change
out.
the beginning. That's right. I'm glad you remembered. We are wanting to sound it out. Ready, go.
Tuck. There's someone in our class named Tucker.
Oh my goodness. So
Tucker.
that might be his nickname, right?
Tucker.
I'm going to add a sound. I'm going to keep that T there, but I had to erase it to make room. So now I'm going to add this one. Sometimes
Truck.
what is it?
Truck.
Truck. I was going to say sometimes it can trick us. But
Yeah, because truck.
so TR, trr, sometimes gets confused with CH. So we want to be sure that we have TR for
Truck.
truck. All right, and then we're going to add one more sound, and then we'll be done with this part.
Okay.
Hold on, freeze, don't say it yet. Let's sound this one out because it has a lot of letters right here together. Ready?
Truck.
One sound at a time. And go.
Struck.
Struck, like the lightning struck
Struck.
my chimney. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're moving on now. So we are going to probably practice a sound that you've been working on in class this week. Yeah, so I thought that Ms. Price gave us a lesson that you've already been working on this week. So that's very good. So you should be able to do well with it. All right, so we have these letters. And these are the letters S and H. All right, so for this part, I need you to be really good listeners, okay? So if you have something to say, let's save it for just a minute and let's be great listeners. All right, this is what we call a digraph. Can you guys say that word?
A digraph.
A digraph is when I take two letters and I put them together to make one sound. So you have already learned about one digraph, and it was the digraph CK. When I have C and K together, it only makes one sound, which is K, but it's two letters.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're working on SH. S has its own sound, which is normally S, and H has its own sound, which is normally H. But when I put them together, they make a brand new sound. So hold on just a minute. Remember, great listeners. The new sound they make together is sh. So everybody take your finger and go sh. Okay, Faith, do you have something you wanted to say?
It don't say
Right, it doesn't say
s.
s, and it doesn't say and it doesn't say s. It makes a brand new sound, which is sh. Do that again with your finger for me. Okay, so again, this is a digraph, and it is when two letters make a brand new sound. Did you guys know that when I hear the sh sound, it might come at the beginning of a word?
Yes.
So everyone say beginning.
Beginning.
All right, so an example of this would be the word ship. Can you guys say ship?
Ship.
Say shop.
Shop.
Or that's a great,
Sheep.
another example. Sheep.
Shook.
Shook. Yes, great examples. But guess what? SH can also come at the end of a word.
Yeah.
Like in the word
Wish.
fish. Say fish.
Fish.
Say wish.
Wish.
So in those words, SH is at the end. So I might find it at the beginning or I might find it at the end. It can come both places. When I make the sh sound, I put my teeth together. Everybody practice putting your teeth together. And guess what? My tongue is not touching my teeth. If I try to put my tongue up there, it doesn't sound right. See, I can't do it. I have to pull my tongue back toward the back of my mouth. All right, so everybody practice doing that. Okay, put your finger back over it and do it again. All right, freeze for me. It's also cool that the letter sound, or I'm sorry, the sound for SH is a sound that just continues on and on and on and on and on. I could keep saying it until I run out of breath. That's right, let's practice stretching it.
But CK is.
That's right, what is it? So can I keep going? That doesn't sound right, does it? That's a stop sound, so it's
stops.
but with
It's
I can drag it out.
continuous.
That's right. All right, we're gonna stop there. Now I'm going to give you your own board, and we're gonna practice writing the letters that make up sh, okay? So these are just little boards Miss Sconiers likes to use a lot. We'll get to use them.
Tap mat?
See, I told
That's
you
what
we
I
use them a
call
lot. Yeah, they are like tap mats. So I'm going to try to give you a clean one that hasn't been used in the last week or two. So we're on the back side, okay? And we're going to practice writing the letters S and H. Notice that on the paper that I gave you, you have a house, right?
That's up to the sky and that's down to the
So
ground.
we're going to use those houses to make sure that our letters are written correctly, all right? You don't have to put your name on this because it's just practice. So let's go to our first line with our first house. And do you see that fence going across the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's going to be our
Like
reference
if we
point.
want a P.
So let's
goes
practice
down.
writing SH. Before you practice writing, wait for me, Faith. Wait for me. Watch me first. My S is only going to touch my fence, but my H is going to touch the top of my line, and then I will make my hump around at my fence. So I need you guys to practice writing SH on your paper. I just realized, is this your last name? Do you have a sister named Mia? What is your sister's name?
Faye.
What is it?
Faye.
Yeah. Okay, I was thinking of someone else. Everybody have your SH? All right, so make sure that your S only touches your fence and your H comes all the way to the top and touches your top line. Everybody got that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I see some of our S's are a little bit tall. So if we can just make it a little bit smaller, okay? That is one great thing about these boards. We can quickly erase and not have to use an eraser. If your SH looks like mine, we're going to use our finger space.
Yes.
And then we're going to practice writing it again. So we have a lowercase s going to our fence. And then an H, which is also lowercase, but it touches my top line.
We use finger space so it's not a big word.
That's right. So even though these aren't words, we are still using finger spaces so that we can tell the difference. And then once you have it a second time, we'll just do it a third final time. So finger space, and then my S touches my fence, and my H touches the top line. Everyone tell me again, what is the sound for SH? Very good. All right, so take your marker, lay it down. Lay it down for me. You forgot those finger spaces though.
Yeah.
They still look great though. That's okay because they're not real words. All right, put your marker down. Now we're gonna practice reading some words. So you don't have to write anything for this part because we're just reading. So Miss Conyers is going to write a word on the board and then you're gonna sound it out and read it. The first one I'm gonna show you how to do by myself. So you're not doing anything for this part. Faith, you with me? Quickly get it. All right, now your eyes are on me. Ready? Don't say anything, just watch and listen. Shed. See how quickly I did that? Shed. All right, you ready for your turn? Yep, no writing, we're just reading this time. So our markers are on the table. Markers on the table. All right, your turn. Blend it, then read it. Ready, go.
Shop.
Can we do it together? Go.
Shop.
Okay, changing it. Ready, go.
Shut.
Okay. Since you guys have been working on this all week, I'm going to give you a more challenging one, but I think you got it.
I got it.
Ready, go.
Shell.
All right, let's change it just a little
Give
bit.
us something hard.
Hard? These are hard first grade words. No, I'm glad you don't think so. Ready, go.
Shell.
Remember, I have to hear every single sound, so make sure you
Shell.
separate these. Let's try it again.
Shell.
Ready, go.
Shell.
Shelf. All right, what about this one?
Truck.
Truck doesn't have S-H.
But it has C.
All right, ready?
Crew.
Sound it out, and the C and the R are separate. Ready, go.
crash.
Do it one more time for me. Oh, hold on. We got to separate those. All right, ready? Together, go.
Crash.
You got it. All right, now you may pick your marker back up. And I probably should have had you hold off for just a minute, because the first one I'm going to show you right by myself. So you don't have to write this one. You just watch. So when it gets to the time that you do it, I'll say the word, you say the word, and then you write it. But for this one, you're watching me. So I'll say it. Ship.
Ship.
Shh. You don't have to write this one, remember? Shh.
These are easy.
Ship. Do you guys see how neatly I wrote it?
Yeah.
And did you hear while I was writing it, I sounded it out? Shh. Yes. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. Okay, so you guys use your arms, not your fingers.
No, we don't use our fingers.
Okay, so you use your arms.
Or we chop it.
So since you're used to using your arm, that's what we're going to do, okay? So I'll say it, you'll say it, we'll tap it together, and then write. You got it. All right, arms out. I say it, and then you. Shin.
Shin.
Shin. Write it.
Oops, my S.
Okay, if you'll notice with mine, the only letter that goes up past my fence is the H.
Yeah.
The S, the I, and the N all stop at the fence, and then the dot for my I does go up to the top. We have to be very careful about that, because if our N goes up any higher, it might also look like an H.
Yeah.
Do we want that to look like an H?
No.
All right, next one. You ready to say it and tap it? You can leave that one and go to your next line if you want. All right, I say it, you say it. Shock.
Shock.
Arm out. Ready. Girls, go. Shock. Write it.
That's a long word.
Guess what? That word has 2 digraphs in it.
Yeah. CK and SH.
It has the SH digraph at the beginning and the CK digraph at the end. And that word, my H and my K, very good, are the only letters that touch my top line. What is the word that you just wrote?
Shock.
Very good. All right, you ready for the next one? They are, let me try to give you a little bit of a tougher one, but probably easy too.
Yeah.
Ready? I say it, you say it, tap it on your arm. Brush.
Brush.
Brush. Write it.
Easy. The SH is at the end,
That's right, I changed it up for us.
but it's still
All right, so make sure we use a lowercase b, because we only want to use uppercase if it's the beginning of a sentence or the name of something. Nice handwriting though.
Yeah.
All right, in the word brush, I have 2 letters that are tall lowercase letters. What are they?
It's B and H.
B and H. So B and H are the only ones that should touch my top line. And where is my digraph in this word?
It's SH.
It's at the end. So if you guys want to underline SH. And then you may put your lid on your marker and lay it down for just a minute.
Okay.
Some of you still have all of your words on your board, but some of you don't. So because of that, I'm going to let us go back and read from mine, because I have all of them. We're going to go back and read these words, but we're not sounding them out now. Okay? So they're just going to be quick. Let's read through our list. Are you ready? Go. Ship. Shin.
Shock.
Brush. Again. Ship. Shin.
Shock.
Brush. All right, can we do it even quicker?
Yes.
All right, go.
Ship, shin, shock, brush.
And backwards.
Brush, shock, shin, shock.
Look at the word.
Ship.
All right, one more time from the bottom up. Go.
Brush, shock, shin, shock.
What was this one?
Ship.
Ship. Don't let that vowel confuse you. Okay, now Remember earlier when I had my board like this and I wrote a word and then I added something and then I changed it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm now going to let you do this and see how well you can change letters in words.
Really?
All right, you can erase yours if you'd like. All right, the first word I want you to write on your board is the word shin. Go.
We wrote that one already.
Yep, we're using it a couple of times. Sh, it, mm. Okay, looks like everybody has shin. Let's see if you can change shin to ship. So you would only change one part of the word. So if you want to write a brand new word and make it ship, or if you want to erase the part and just change
I
it.
want to do that.
Okay. Okay, so see Nick, he kept shin and then he changed the n to p and made ship. But over here, Faith took away her n and changed it to a p. Either way is fine, okay?
Ship.
All right, so what is the new word you have?
Ship.
Ship. Very good. Now can we change the vowel? Let's change ship to shop.
My S.
Okay, everyone spell shop for me.
S-H-O-P.
Everyone?
S-H-O-P.
All right, and I'm noticing a little bit of our letters are getting a little bit off the line. So remember that P actually should have a tail. So look at my P here. It still only touches my fence, but the tail hangs further down below the bottom line. So on yours, can we make that P hang down below, just like on my line right here? Very good. Nice corrections. Shop. So next we have ah,
And then
and then you got it. All right, now let's change the ending sound. We're gonna change shop to shot. Shot.
this is
Like the
really
basketball player made the final shot.
shop.
Okay. Now we're changing that ending sound again. We're going to change shot to shock. Shock.
I know that
The
one.
surprise did not shock me.
Or it shocked me.
So really quickly, one thing I am noticing, and it's okay, but when we make our O, it does make a prettier O if we start at the top and come around like this. Some of us are starting at the bottom and coming up. Either way makes an O, but a lot of times it will be a little bit neater if we start at the fence, come around, and then join it back together at the fence.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that one was shock. How did you spell shock? S-H-O-C-K. Remember, if k is at the end of the word, I have to use that digraph, which is C and K. All right, can you now change shock to sock? You're deleting one letter to make sock.
I erased both of them because I have them. My S, I keep forgetting.
Can someone raise your hand and use the word sock in a sentence for me? Create a sentence using the word sock. All right, Nick, tell us one.
The sock is very
The sock is very stinky. Is that a good sentence?
Yes.
Okay, let's do a few more and then we might need some more sentences. Change sock to sick. So now let me actually do that each of them. There you go. Sock. And now we're gonna make sick. Sick. All right, Faith, give us a sentence with sick.
My mom is sick.
My mom is sick. All right, let's change sick to sack. Sack. Anybody have a good sentence for the word sack?
No. Yes.
Go for it.
I have a sack.
I have a sack. What's in your sack?
Of lunch.
Candy.
Oh.
All right, last one, and then we'll move on. Let's change sack to rack. Rack.
Oops. I messed up.
Okay, really quickly before we do a sentence with rack,
What?
I noticed when some of you were doing your R's that you made your R and then went back and added your little tail at the top. Sometimes it makes it nicer if we do a straight line and then we come up and around like that. Okay, so either way works, but sometimes it looks a little bit neater if we do the straight line first like this and then hump it back around.
I mean, it's both an R.
Okay, lay your pencils down or your markers down.
Can we erase it?
You can erase it if that makes you feel good.
Oh, it makes me feel clean.
It does?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna show you a sentence and I'm gonna read it and then we'll read a sentence together,
I'm gonna read it in my head.
All right, just listen. Faith, if you're gonna erase it quickly, babe.
Read those a lot.
Because you've been doing this lesson in class with Miss Price. All right, here we go. Faith, get it done in 3, in 2, in 1. If you're ready, say, I'm ready.
Ready?
All right, where are our markers supposed to be?
On the table.
On the table. For this one, I need you to be a great listener. She goes to the shop at 10.
We heard that before.
You did because you guys did this lesson with Miss Price. I figured that out now, huh? All right, read it for me.
She goes to the shop at 10.
All right, so since you guys are doing great, I'm going to see if you can read the next one by yourself.
She
Take a minute.
are.
Nope, don't say anything yet. Take a minute to look at it.
Just try to cover
Oh,
up
I'm
the
so
last
sorry.
one.
Now we'll read it together.
Are
Ready, go.
Are we in a rush to get to the bash? A bash is like a party.
It could be,
A
yeah, like a
party.
birthday bash, like a birthday party. All right, so raise your hand if you see the digraph SH in any of our words.
I see 2.
Nick, tell me a word that you see with the digraph SH.
Bash.
Bash. All right, over here, tell me when you see.
Rush.
Rush. Over here, tell me when you see.
Shop.
Shop. Do you see any more? Is that all of them?
Yes.
That's all of them. Okay,
There's no shop in there.
pick your marker back up.
I already have mine.
Now it is your turn to write a sentence. I'll say it and then you repeat it back to me.
Can we run our sentence?
She grabs a snack from the shelf. Say it for me. She grabs a snack from the shelf. Look how many words we're writing.
Okay. We have to
7.
do it uppercase.
You do need to start with an uppercase letter. All right, while you're writing, I'm going to write too. She. Go ahead and write it on yours.
She. What's the next word?
Grabs. Don't forget to speak finger space.
That looks like
I love how you're sounding it out. G,
Ah.
r, ah, b.
You have the S on the end. You have to add the S on the end.
That's right.
She
She
grabs
a
grabs
snack. S, n, a.
Accent rated H. Same, I accidentally did an H too.
Oh, we're not finished quite yet. Even though that is a complete sentence, we've got a little bit more to add.
She grabbed a snack. Ah! You burst my dream. She grabbed the snack. She grabbed a snack.
She grabs a snack from. That's a word that does not sound the same way we spell it. So it is
It's not
actually,
a U, it's an O.
that's right. It's not a U, it is an O. From. Right. That's why it is a high frequency word that we learn the
still
spell.
sound it out.
She grabs a snack
From
from. You can sound everything out except the vowel.
the
The.
she
That is also a
stash.
Fry, high frequency word.
She got a snack from the stash.
No, shelf. Shelf.
Elf. Oh, what shelf?
All right, so look, when I sound this out, I see chef. What are you missing in there? Let her figure it.
Period, boo.
Okay, go back and read your sentence. Ready, go.
She grabbed a snack from the shelf.
From the what?
Shelf.
What is that last word?
Shelf.
Shelf. Got it, Nick?
You gotta say the element.
All right, really quickly while the boys are finishing up, girls, read that sentence for me.
She grabbed a snack from the shelf. From the bathroom shelf.
F. What are we missing
Toilet shelf.
there? L. Okay. Sh. F. Ooh. Oh, hold on. All right, now boys, will you read it for the girls? Ready, go.
She grabbed a snack from the shelf.
You got it. All right, lids on your markers. You're gonna actually hand those to me. Did you guys like writing with the markers?
Yes. I'm trying to write on S-H.
And you know what I just realized? Sometimes I like to use these tap mats on the other side when we're writing words. Yeah, but we didn't even use those today. That's okay though. All right, last part of the lesson. I'm going to give you a story, and since you told me that you already did this lesson with Miss Price this week, you might have read this story. So if you have read this story, then I expect that your reading should be pretty amazing. All right, I'm going to read it with you. Point to the title. Everybody has to use their little, I like to call them zinger fingers.
Pointer.
Yeah, so here's what I like to do. Put your finger up in the air.
No, learning finger.
And then we go like this. Since I call it a zinger finger, we like to go zing.
Zing.
All right, so where are we taking our zinger? To the title. All right, put it up. Ready? Zing. All right, and we're going to read together. Start up here with me. That's okay. The ship. Look at the ship. Trish and Josh jump on the ship deck. Trish has a net to get fish. Josh has a bag to get shells. Stop right there for just a minute. Remember that when we come to a period, that's a minute that we can take a breath. Okay? So when we come to a period, you stop for just a second before we start the next sentence. All right, we're now on the second paragraph. Our zinger is on the word Trish.
Trish.
Ready? Go.
Trish
jumps off the ship with the net. She swims to get fish. Josh jumps off the ship with his bag. He swims to get shells. I love how you guys stopped when you came to those periods that time. That sounded much better. Final paragraph. Fingers on Trish. Ready? Go.
Trish and Josh get back on the ship. Look at the fish in my net, said Trish. Look at the shells in my bag, said Josh. We had fun on the ship.
Very good. All right, we are all finished. If you guys want to stand up.